Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Nnll. Some people might think that this is some new DJVU type ransomware, but this is not true. It's a different type of ransomware, even though this is a real ransomware. Well, my video is only for the educational purposes. I got this ransomware sample on the VirusTotal database, which is run and controlled by Google. Before the ransomware attack, I was able to open the files without troubles, but this is what happens after the ransomware attack. I try to open this specific file, and this is the message that I get. Windows can't open this type of file with this Nnll extension. Some people think that if they get rid of this extension manually, the files, they think they would be restored, but it's not true. It doesn't work. The files are still encrypted. Unfortunately, I cannot help you decrypt the files. The developers of this ransomware reveals this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file decryption, which is $980, which is a tremendous amount of money. I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste the money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and click on Start Scan button. The software will be initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer. You can always upgrade to Premium, and you can request for the fully functional free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data, which got previously encrypted by this horrible ransomware. Once again, do not pay the ransom, do not waste your money.